Downsizing is a big move, and it comes with more considerations than most people expect. Hi, I'm Dave Robles, the owner of Think Real Estate, and today I want to walk you through the important things to know so that you can plan confidently and avoid surprises when downsizing. I recently helped some clients downsize from their large two-story home of 50 years here in Glendale and relocate to a two-bedroom, single-story condo in the heart of Pasadena. They absolutely love it. Even though it was only a few miles away, it opened up so many new daily experiences for them. See, they're walkers, and now they get to explore new streets every single day. And they've already found a new favorite local restaurant. It was just enough change to feel fresh and exciting without being a major life upheaval. Moves like this remind me that downsizing isn't just about less space, it's about finding a lifestyle that truly fits the moment you're in. Home values throughout the Los Angeles area have grown tremendously over the decades, which means many longtime homeowners are sitting on a significant amount of equity. When you sell your larger home and move into something smaller, you often free up substantial cash. Now, that can be a great thing, but it's important to plan for how to use it. One thing to be aware of is that once you downsize, it can be difficult to move back into a larger or more expensive home later. And if you use that equity from your sale to pay off debt, fund travel, or cover everyday expenses, that money is no longer working for you in the housing market. That's why my clients who moved to Pasadena, they rented out their Glendale home and rented that two-bedroom condo I mentioned. Now, real estate in the greater Los Angeles area tends to appreciate faster than wages and general savings. So, once that equity is spent, buying a home again may not be realistic in certain neighborhoods. Downsizing is often a one-way financial move, and understanding that up front helps you make intentional decisions about how you use the equity you unlock. Proposition 19 also plays a big role. It allows homeowners who are 55 or older, people with disabilities, and those affected by natural disasters to transfer their existing property tax basis to a new home anywhere in the state. Now, for many households, this is a major benefit. It means you can move to a smaller or better located home without starting over with a much higher property tax bill. There are still rules to follow and documentation to prepare, so it's important to understand how this process works before you make that move. You should also be ready for differences in costs. Things like HOA fees, insurance changes, utility expenses, they can all shift depending on where you move. Condo living, for example, comes with additional monthly dues, and homes in certain hillsides or on the coast may have much higher insurance premiums. Even if you're moving into a smaller space, the overall cost picture might not drop as much as you expect, so have a clear budget is really important. Lifestyle is another major factor. The Los Angeles area is made up of many micro markets, each with its own personality, pace, and amenities. Some neighborhoods are known for their walkability and convenience, while others are more about space and quiet. Others provide new construction with modern layouts, and that can vary widely. So you'll want to look at options in other nearby areas like Palm Springs or Ventura or San Diego, which can offer locations of different types of living. You also want to decide between different types of homes. Many people move into smaller spaces. They consider condos, townhouses, active adult communities, or simply smaller homes. Each option comes with trade-offs, from privacy to parking, maintenance levels. So think about what fits best for your lifestyle now and in the future, and this will help you guide your decision. Family dynamics can also play a role. A move within the Los Angeles area can change how easily you stay connected with people who matter most. So it's worth considering how your new location supports the routines and relationships you value. There are also a few pitfalls to watch out for. If you're considering a condo or townhouse, take a close look at the HOA's financial health. Some buildings may have upcoming assessments or repairs or seismic upgrades. Parking can be limited in certain neighborhoods too, and noise can be a dramatic factor in some areas. These are all things that will impact your long-term satisfaction with a home. Finally, planning ahead is essential. Talk with a real estate professional who understands Proposition 19, local pricing patterns, and the differences between neighborhoods. Speak with a tax advisor before you make decisions about your equity or timing. And start early, because the more prepared you are, the more options you'll have. Downsizing in the Los Angeles area can open the doors to a simpler lifestyle, lower maintenance, and more financial flexibility. And with the right preparation, you can move into a home that feels just right for where you are now and where you're headed next.